weight, get healthy, get in shape. Get everybody looking all anorexic talking about that's healthy. I know what healthy is.
That scene always cracked me up. Perfect Sunday dinner. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do something a little different. I woke up this morning and for some reason I wanted collard greens, candied yams, macaroni and cheese, and maybe and I'm going to go ahead and do like a Boston butt or a pork roast. And all of these videos I've done before, and you can see them on my channel. So all these videos I'm going to go ahead and tag. I'll put the link in as well in the description so you can see how to make each individual dish. But this is my Sunday dinner, so I wanted to bring it to you in one video. So let me know what you had for Sunday dinner. And hey guys, let's get started putting this together. That's my Sunday dinner. I'm in heaven. But you know I'm waiting for that bite, so I'm gonna get that bite. My Sunday dinner, you tell me what you had for Sunday dinner down in the comments. But there's mine: macaroni cheese, candied yams, some pork roast, nice bunch of homemade greens. Woo-hoo. I'm gonna get some of these candied yams. I smell them. Macaroni cheese is slapping. Let me get some of these greens. A little bit of this pork roast. I know my Sunday's gonna be nice, so let me know what you guys have for Sunday dinner down in the comments. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.